Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Save Failed in Interest app. Now the first thing we need to do is to go to our phone settings right here and then look for Privacy and Security. Now from Privacy and Security, we're going to go ahead and look for Photos, and then we're just going to scroll down until we find Pinterest. Now as we can see from here, currently Pinterest has no access to our photo library, so what we can do is either enable limited access or full access so that we can freely save or download photos from Pinterest. So once you have that activated, you should be able to go back to Pinterest right here and then just look for the photo that you wish to save on your phone and then have it downloaded. As you can see, we've been able to download the image from Pinterest, so this means that we have removed the failed save or save failed in Pinterest app. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.